We just made 410% on Verasity. I just made $90,000. Let me show you how I shared this trade in the private list. What is the reason? So this price was going flat right here. I got a volume spike right here, December 28, volume spike right here, December 31, the volume spike right here, Monday 2nd. I shared this trade in the private list was on January 7. We bought this coin for 0.0022 and you put a sell order right here, the daily resistance 0.0044. I made $9,000. Some members they made 100%. Now about Bitcoin, like I mentioned before, the price just hit this lane here. It's called 200 exponential moving average. So this lane act as a magnet. So for now, let's wait what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. Don't worry about it. Pump and Dump group, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Now on the trade recap today, let me show the trades I share in the private list on the last 48 hours. Private list we got here. Oops, sorry. We got here UBIX.Network Verasity, I just mentioned about it, VAIOT, Bifrost, Primal, and Propy. Guys, in order to find those coins, my software is tracking the first 3,000 coins with more volume, okay? It's a combination about volume spike plus buyer power. So take a look here. All coins we trade today, they are running with high volume. Like on the last hour, UBIX.Network has $1 million in volume. Verasity has $29 million, $1.5 million. Bifrost has $1.38 million. Primal $3.52 million, 1.83. Guys, if I made $41,000, you can make the same profits I do. Just follow my trades. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com if you like to get those trades in real time. Feel free to reach me out. First trade recap, it's Primal, guys. Let me make this thing bigger so new members can understand. Also, I like to say welcome to our new members, Charles, Michelle, Patel, and Frank. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart in Primal. That's the reason we put a daily resistance right here, okay, at 0.0089. I never put in the top. I always put a little low because I want to make sure our order get filled. Let's go to a 1 hour chart and I'm gonna show you this thing, how this thing is done. This coin was running flat, so I got a volume spike right here. Look how many volume spike, big volume spike here, big volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. That's when my software alerted me and I shared this trade in the private list on Friday 13. We pump and dump group bought this coin for 0.0038, guys, and you put a sell order right here. Like I mentioned before, on the daily resistance, I made $13,000. Some made 125, some members made 136. Good. A lot of people make a lot of money. Next trade recap is Primal, guys. No, I just meant about Primal. Let's talk about Propy. One more coin, guys. Same strategy. Volume spike right here. On January 10, the volume spike for $460,000. Take a look at this number right here. 1 hour before, the volume was right here. No volume at all. $203. $200. And the volume spike out of the blue for $460,000. That's when my software tracked and alert me. This coin is running high volume. The volume is just spiked 1 million times. Okay, so I shared this trade in the private list on January 15. We bought this coin for 38 cents and you put a sell order right here at 65. 70% profit, $7,000 in my pocket. You already know all the good stuff. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Guys, Pump and Dump group is making a lot of success. A lot of people are making a lot of money. And I'm sure you're going to be successful in this journey. And on my watch list so far, I got here the main cryptos. So Solana, Litecoin, Polkadot, Polygon, Cardano, Dogecoin, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin. My software is tracking the market 24/7, guys. Anything happen in the market, my software will let me know, and we're gonna take advantage of this market because we trade this pump and dump group. We are trade way ahead of any trade out there because you have a software to track the market 24/7. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. pumpanddumpboy@gmail.com. Bye bye.